Not everyone dreams of the city's bright lights and fast pace. Some of us long for mornings filled with birdsong, neighbors who greet us by name, and the simple joy of land we can truly call our own, without spending a fortune. In this video, we'll take you through 10 small rural towns in the Philippines where you can still retire or buy a home in peace during 2025 and 2026. Number 7 just might be the last affordable paradise you've been searching for. Number 10. Valencia, Negros Oriental. Nestled in the gentle hills near Dumaguete, Valencia is a haven for those seeking a peaceful, community-centered lifestyle. The area is renowned for its hot springs, cascading waterfalls, and a warm, welcoming atmosphere where neighbors quickly become friends. Life here moves at a slower pace, with local markets, family-run farms, and the soothing sights and sounds of nature all around. The town's farming culture brings fresh produce to your doorstep, and the sense of belonging is strong, making it easy for retirees and families to feel at home. In terms of real estate, Valencia offers attractive opportunities for those looking to invest in property without overspending. As of 2025, average lot prices range from 300,000 to 800,000 Philippine pesos, about 5,000 to 15,000 US dollars, while small homes can be found between 1 million and 3 million Philippine pesos, about 18,000 to 54,000 US dollars. Rentals are also available, typically from 5,000 to 15,000 Philippine pesos per month, about 90 to 270 US dollars. Medical needs are well served by Dumaguete's top hospitals, just 20 minutes away, and transport options include tricycles and jeepneys. The town's hidden charms, weekend markets, local festivals, and relaxing hot springs add to its appeal. Could you imagine trading city noise for the gentle rhythm of Valencia's countryside? Number 9. Dauin, Negros Oriental. Dauin is a coastal gem where the ocean's tranquility and vibrant marine life create a unique living experience. Known for its marine sanctuaries, this town attracts divers and nature lovers who appreciate its unspoiled beaches and clear waters. The community is tight-knit and friendly, offering a relaxed lifestyle that feels worlds away from urban stress. Here, the sound of waves replaces traffic noise, and the simple pleasures of fresh seafood and open-air living are everyday realities. When it comes to property, Dauin's beachfront lots can be found for 500,000 to 2 million Philippine pesos, about 9,000 to 36,000 US dollars, with homes ranging from 2 million to 6 million Philippine pesos, about 36,000 to 108,000 US dollars. The proximity to Dumaguete, just 20 minutes by road, ensures easy access to medical care and other amenities. The town's hidden charms include world-class snorkeling and diving, as well as regular local seafood markets. With its laid-back vibe and strong sense of community, Dauin invites you to consider whether this peaceful coastal retreat could be your new home, a place where every day feels like a gentle escape. Number 8. Bangan City, Barangays, Eastern Samar. The rural barangays of Bangan City offer a rare blend of stunning coastal scenery and authentic rural living. Here, west-facing beaches provide breathtaking sunsets, while the community's fishing and farming traditions foster a simple, rewarding way of life. Friendly locals welcome newcomers, and the pace of life is refreshingly slow. The air is clean, crime is low, and the sense of togetherness is strong, making it an ideal spot for families and retirees seeking a peaceful environment. Real estate in these barangays is remarkably affordable, with lots available from 200,000 to 500,000 Philippine pesos, about 3,600 to 9,000 US dollars, and homes between 1 million and 2 million Philippine pesos. about 20,000 to 40,000 US dollars. 2 million Philippine pesos, about 18,000 to 36,000 US dollars. Medical facilities are accessible, and transport is facilitated by tricycles and easy road connections to Tacloban Airport. Daily beach walks, local markets, and lively festivals add to the area's charm. Would you trade the hustle of city life for the calm of Barangan's shores, where every sunrise brings a new sense of peace? Number 7. San Juan, Siquijor. San Juan, on the mystical island of Siquijor, is a paradise for those dreaming of white sand beaches and a relaxed island lifestyle. The community is small but vibrant, with friendly locals and a strong sense of connection. Nature is everywhere, from waterfalls to lush forests, and the pace of life is unhurried. Here, you can unwind to the sound of the sea and the gentle rustle of palm trees, far from the noise and stress of crowded cities. Property in San Juan is both accessible and affordable, with lots ranging from 300,000 to 1 million Philippine pesos, about 5,000 to 18,000 US dollars, and homes between 1.5 million and 2.5 million Philippine pesos, 4 million Philippine pesos, about 27,000 to 72,000 US dollars. Medical needs are met by local clinics, and ferries connect the island to Dumaguete and Cebu. The town's unique charms include mystic festivals, live music, and yoga retreats. Could this affordable island paradise be the peaceful home you've been searching for? A place where every day feels like a gentle holiday? Number 6. Puerto Galera, Oriental Mindoro. Puerto Galera is a coastal town where the sea meets the mountains, offering both natural beauty and a vibrant community spirit. Known for its excellent diving spots and lively expat scene, the town provides a mix of adventure and relaxation. The beaches are pristine, the locals are welcoming, and the pace of life is refreshingly slow. Here, you can enjoy ocean views, fresh seafood, and a strong sense of belonging. Real estate options are diverse, with lots from 400,000 to 2 million Philippine pesos, about 7,000 to 36,000 US dollars, and homes between 2 million and 5 million Philippine pesos, about 40,000 to 120,000 US dollars. 6 million Philippine pesos, about 36,000 to 108,000 US dollars. Medical care is available at local clinics, and transport is convenient, with boats to Batangas and easy access to Manila. The town's hidden charms include lively nightlife, local markets, and a variety of water activities. Could you see yourself retiring where the sea meets the sky, surrounded by nature and new friends? Number 5. Lipa, Batangas. Lipa offers a unique blend of rural charm and urban convenience, making it an attractive choice for those seeking balance. Surrounded by rolling hills and coffee farms, the town boasts clean air, a strong farming tradition, and a welcoming community. The pace of life is relaxed, yet you're never far from the amenities of a larger city. Here, you can enjoy the best of both worlds. Peaceful countryside, living with easy access to modern comforts. Real estate in Lipa is affordable, with lots from 500,000 to 2 million Philippine pesos, about 9,000 to 36,000 US dollars, and homes between 2 million and 3 million Philippine pesos, about 36,000 to 48,000 US dollars. 5 million Philippine pesos, about 36,000 to 90,000 US dollars. Medical facilities are modern, and transport to Manila is straightforward. The town's hidden charms include coffee farms, weekend markets, and colorful festivals. Could you imagine waking up to the scent of freshly brewed coffee and the gentle rhythm of rural life in Lipa? Number 4. Baguio City, Outskirts, Bangan. The outskirts of Baguio City offer a cool climate, pine forests, and a peaceful atmosphere that feels a world away from the city's bustle. Here, you can enjoy fresh mountain air, stunning views, and a strong sense of community. The pace of life is unhurried, and the locals are known for their warmth and hospitality. It's a place where you can relax, recharge, and enjoy the simple pleasures of rural living. Property here is more accessible than in the city center, with lots from 1 million to 5 million Philippine pesos, about 18,000 to 90,000 US dollars, and homes between 3 million and 5 million Philippine pesos, about 18,000 to 30,000 US dollars, 10 million Philippine pesos, about 54,000 to 180,000 US dollars. Medical care is top-notch, and transport is easy, with tricycles and well-maintained roads. The area's hidden charms include flower markets, strawberry farms, and cultural festivals. Would you trade the city's heat for the cool, peaceful mornings of Baguio's countryside? Number 3. Valencia, Bukidnon. Valencia in Bukidnon is a town where rolling hills, pineapple farms, and a peaceful rural lifestyle create an idyllic setting for retirement. The community is close-knit and friendly, and the pace of life is refreshingly slow. Here, you can enjoy clean air, open spaces, and the gentle rhythm of farm life. The town's natural beauty and strong sense of community make it a welcoming place for newcomers. Real estate is affordable, with lots from 200,000 to 800,000 Philippine pesos, about 3,600 to 14,000 US dollars, and homes between 1 million and 2 million Philippine pesos, about 24,000 to 48,000 US dollars. 3 million Philippine pesos, about 18,000 to 54,000 US dollars. Medical needs are met by local clinics, and Cagayan de Oro is easily accessible by road. The town's hidden charms include river views, weekend markets, and pineapple farms. Could this peaceful corner of Bukidnon be your quiet retreat, where life is simple and every day feels like a fresh start? Number 2. Donsol, Sorsogon. Donsol is a coastal town where the ocean's beauty and the thrill of whale shark watching create a unique living experience. The community is friendly and welcoming, and the pace of life is relaxed. Here, you can enjoy fresh seafood, daily beach walks, and a strong sense of togetherness. The town's natural wonders and laid-back vibe make it an ideal spot for retirees and families. Real estate in Donsol is accessible, with lots from 300,000 to 1 million Philippine pesos, about 5,000 to 18,000 US dollars, and homes between 1.5 million and 2.5 million Philippine pesos, 4 million Philippine pesos, about 27,000 to 72,000 US dollars. Medical care is available at local clinics, and transport to Legazpi is easy. The town's hidden charms include whale shark tours, river cruises, and lively festivals. Could you see yourself retiring where the ocean meets adventure and every day brings a new discovery? Number 1. Dumaguete Outskirts, Negros Oriental. The outskirts of Dumaguete, known as the City of Gentle People, offer a perfect blend of rural tranquility and urban convenience. Here you can enjoy clean air, friendly locals, and a vibrant expat community, all within easy reach of nature and modern amenities. The pace of life is relaxed, and the sense of belonging is strong, making it an ideal place for retirees and families seeking a peaceful yet engaging lifestyle. Real estate is accessible, with lots from 400,000 to 1.5 million Philippine pesos, about 7,000 to 27,000 US dollars, and homes between 2 million and 5 million Philippine pesos, about 10,000 to 27,000 US dollars, 5 million Philippine pesos, about 36,000 to 90,000 US dollars. Medical care is excellent, and transport is convenient, with tricycles and easy road access. The area's hidden charms include cultural events, university life, and easy island access. It's not on most tourist maps, but the outskirts of Dumaguete might just be where peace finds you, a perfect last chapter or a beautiful new beginning. As the world grows busier and louder, these 10 small towns remind us that a peaceful, fulfilling life is still within reach. Whether you're seeking a new beginning or a quiet place to enjoy your later years, the Philippines' rural landscapes offer beauty, affordability, and a sense of belonging. Let us know in the comments where you'd like to retire. Hit like, subscribe for more, and share this video with anyone who dreams of a life lived simply and well.